Happy birthday to you. Zeph is setting up the charging station.
This house, yeah.
It's really nice.
Thanks. Our friends lent it to us. They are very nice. So I'll do a few pictures later. The table, which has already set.
Really? They already ate?
I think so.
Hi. Wow.
Are you beautiful?
Wow. That's crazy. Okay.
Has really good volume. You know, every time I think of Zeph with his voluminous hair.
That's Zeph. Magazine Bay Cave. And this. You farted? Nice, yummy.
Thank you.
Wow, so nice. Zeph is lighting us on. Fighting the flies. They are very annoying. There are a lot of them. Let me help you. And they are disturbing him. It's so terrible, these flies. So we've just made. Oh, okay.
Let's take it. Let's just get out of here.
Safe.
Safe!
Decided to eat in the car because
Too many bugs on there. Oh my god, it's here!
one of them got in.
Come out.
Safe.
Safe!
Alright. What's for lunch, hun?
Lunch is for
Oh, this way.
steak pasta.
Oh, looks good.
What are you doing? Wait, did that bench fall down? That's so sad.
I think it did.
I thought it was a bench, yeah.
Whoa, but look at the ribs.
Hey, but those are sharks, no?
Oh my goodness. Are you serious? Oh my
There's
goodness!
so many sharks.
Oh, is that dolphin?
Oh yeah, could be dolphins too. It's crazy,
Yeah, it's very beautiful. Zeph is on that little island. I didn't leave him alone, I just didn't know he was gonna stay there.